Hey guys, it's Nikka again with Apollo Sprayers, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix intermittent spray patterns, which basically just means that your spray gun is working and then not working, or it's spitting, and we want to fix that. So I have the T5020 here today to show you guys how I would fix that. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for a couple of different things when we're trying to fix this problem. First of all, we're going to take our cup off. And we want to make sure there's always a good seal on our cup. But right now we're going to take a look at our duck bill, which is this black little piece right here. There actually is a small slit right here, and this just helps air get into the cup, so that way the tube can pick up your solution. If this is dirty or solution gets stuck in here, the air won't be able to actually get out of the duck bill. So we do recommend making sure that this part is always cleaned and maintained to make sure that you don't have that issue. And also, again, we did talk about it in another video, but when you are putting your cup on your spray gun, we do recommend holding it from the base, not the handle. And then there's also ridges in your cup, and you want to make sure that's completely aligned, so that way there's no seals, there's no leaks in your cup, and it's fully sealed. The next thing we're going to take a look at is your nozzle, and we want to make sure your nozzle is perfectly tightened the way you want it. And all you got to do to check that is just undo this guy. And to fix that, we do have in our Apollo kit that does come with your T5020, you do get a little wrench, and this is going to help fix your nozzle or adjust it if need be. So you're going to take the larger side, and you can, if you untwist it, you can adjust it the way that you need it. And then this side is going to be for your gland seal, which is up there, but that's a different video. So that's going to be the next thing you check. And then the final thing you're going to check is your tubing. You want to make sure that all of this is perfectly clean and that there's no excess solution, or it can get gunked up and the spray pad and the spray solution can't properly get into the tube. So yeah, those would be all the different things that I would take a look at to make sure my intermittent spray pattern is no longer happening. So yeah.